Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Cheryl Johnson with HeygurlTV, and if you're into fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, this channel is for you. So welcome. Get you something to drink, grab a little something, because we are going to be reviewing the infamous Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrait. And also I'm going to do a comparison with the original Baccarat Rouge 540. So if you love things of fragrance, please stand by. Okay guys, so where do I start? Baccarat Rouge 540. This perfume is the bomb. Everything that you've heard about it is true. It does have a hefty price tag attached to it, but it's worth every dime. Now the Baccarat Rouge 540, oh my god, I don't even know where to start. Let's just start with the ingredients, the notes that are in. So for the Baccarat Rouge 540, the regular Baccarat Rouge, it has the jasmine, saffron, cedarwood, and ambergris. And the Extrait has the jasmine also, but it's from Egypt. It also has the saffron. It has another note, which is the bitter almond from Morocco. And then the cedarwood, it has a musky, woodsy accord, and it also has the ambergris. So they're both pretty much the same, but a little bit different. The Extrait is going to be a little bit stronger, long-lasting, because it has more oils, versus the Baccarat Rouge 540. It's not going to have as many oils as it has in the Extrait, but I also purchased the oil, so that's going to give me the long-lasting wear of the Extrait by putting the oil and then also layering it with the lotion. So I'm going to have all the ingredients up on the screen for you so you can kind of see the difference as well, and then I'll just give you my honest opinion and review about this product. So with the Baccarat Rouge, this is a really nice, really sweet, I'm gonna spray a little bit. Has a little, it's very sweet. Most people say that it smells like a burnt cotton candy, but it's just life, you guys. This perfume makes you stand up a little straighter, makes you feel very confident. When you wear this, it's pretty much something that a lot of people don't have because of the price tag, but it's a very memorable fragrance. It also has kind of like a citrus smell, very sweet. It does kind of smell like a cotton candy, but it just does something beautifully. The way that it's blended so well. It's just no comparison. I can't even compare it to anything. I know there's a lot of dupes out there like the Ariana Grande Cloud. I did smell that. It smells similar, but it's not Baccarat. So if you're wanting this fragrance, I would say, ladies and gentlemen, save your coin, because there's no comparison to the Baccarat Rouge. You can smell the jasmine, the saffron, the cedarwood, the ambergris, but they're so well combined and so well put together that it's almost hard to put it into words. Now I will tell you that when I went to Neiman's to purchase the fragrance, after reviewing all the videos out there and getting an idea in my head what this fragrance smelled like, when I went to the counter, I did not like it. I ended up buying something else in that line, in that perfume house, and I didn't care for that one. I took it back because I got a sample of the Baccarat and I wore it and I loved it. So I took back the other bottle that I purchased and bought the Baccarat, and after that it was just love. So as I've been wearing this fragrance, I wanted more. So I went and got the body oil, and then I went and got the lotion, and I still wasn't satisfied. I was like, I really want the Extrait. I just want to try it. And once you buy a Mason Francis Kirk John fragrance, you're hooked. So it's almost impossible not to get another bottle. So this is the unboxing of the Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrait. So we're going to go ahead and open it. As you can see, it's brand new. This one did set a girl back several coins, but you know, I'm worth it. And you can't take it with you anyway. The money I'm speaking of. So I went ahead and bought it. So let's get all the packaging off. Look at that little pull string in there. Just made. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm seeing this for the first time like you are, so oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at that. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, this perfume was so expensive. Okay, I'm gonna spray it higher on my hand to get a really good smell from that. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. Let me spray a little bit more. Let me let it dry down a little bit. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is like Baccarat Rouge Intense. They call it the Extrait, but I believe I love it. It's a deeper, woodzier smell. You can definitely smell the bitter almond. But this is unlike anything I've ever smelled before. It has a really crisp, like really nice bite to it when you first smell it. And then it just smells like you're in Morocco or Egypt. I mean, it's very, yeah, this is good. This is so good. This is so good. You have to go to the counter and spray this on your skin. So I kind of smell the Baccarat. Okay, let me spray a little bit on the other side. Okay. So this one, the Baccarat Rouge 540 Extrait, this one is it has a more woodier note with that bite of almond, a bitter almond. The Baccarat Rouge 540, the regular one is a lot sweeter, not that deep. Oh my god, but this one is just, it just envelops, and it just gives it. I mean, this one, the Extrait, I think that one is more unisex than the other because it's so woodsy. More of a gourmand. I think it's more of a gourmand scent. Versus, okay, so if I had to choose which one out of these two, I would probably have to go with the original. This one is more for, I would say, for nighttime going out, your husband, your boyfriend, your significant other, your partner, they can use this as well. Because that's more woodsy. And just more musky. So if you like more of a musky scent, I would go with the Extrait. And if you like more of a sweet smell, I would go with, if you like something a little bit more sweeter, I would go with the Baccarat 540. So I think you can even spray them together, but I think the Extrait is more masculine, and the 540 Rouge regular is more feminine, but it's very long lasting, very strong, smells more deeper and less sweeter than the original one. So let's get into the packaging of this beautiful fragrance that I know you're gonna want after watching this video, because it's good. And when I say it's good, it's real good. So the regular Baccarat Rouge 540, that one comes in the white box, as where the Baccarat Rouge Extrait comes in a red box. The difference in the bottle is that the regular Baccarat Rouge 540, you can see the chandelier from the back of the bottle. It has the symbols here, symbol there, and also the symbol inside of the top. Whereas the Extrait does not have a picture of the chandelier in the back, but it does have the markings here on the back, on the top, and also inside of the top. I mean, when I say this fragrance is good, I mean it's good, okay? It does set you back a little bit, so I would say if you're not able to get to a counter like Neiman Marcus, 5th Avenue, or either the Mason Francis website, I would say definitely get to a counter to spray it. But don't spray it, don't test it on a piece of paper. You really need to spray it on the skin. This fragrance on paper doesn't give you what you need to make a decision on spending the coin. You need to spray it on your body, maybe walk through the mall a little bit and see how you like it, but definitely get a sample. If you're going to be ordering from the original website and you're not going to a department store, be sure that you let your bank know that you're going to be purchasing, because it is an international purchase, spending money abroad. But other than that, to wrap this review up, I just think that this is a must-have in your beauty collection. This is a fragrance niche that everyone should experience. I think it's a beautiful scent. I know it's not for everyone, because like I said earlier in the video, when I first tried it, I did not like it. Definitely you have to go down and spray it on your arm and go from there. But I hope you guys like the review, and I have a lot of other perfumes in my collection that I will be bringing to the forefront to let you see what I feel about them. But right now, this is my most favorite fragrance. This is the fragrance that I'm known by. So there you have it. Yeah, guys, and I just wanted to say that this is a very luxurious perfume house. The scent is just so good. Like, you smell so expensive. I mean, whenever I wear it, I turn heads. I get so many compliments about this fragrance. Now, I will say with the Baccarat 540, the regular Baccarat 540, it does tend to disappear throughout the day, and then all of a sudden it hits you. So I think that's where the ambergris comes in. Well, for this one is true, because I've experienced it. I've sprayed it on, layered it with my oil and my body lotion, and then like later on in the day, maybe 4 hours in, I don't really smell it. And then like another 3 hours later, it's there and strong as if I just sprayed it. So this one plays a little hide and go seek with you, as to where this one, I think this is more long lasting. I've had it on for just a little bit because I just opened it with you. So I really can't tell you the long lasting of this one, or if it disappears, but I will recap and do another video letting you know how this perfume lasts. What is the life of the perfume when you spray it from morning to evening. So I will get back with you on this one. But for right now, it's very strong, as to where the Baccarat Rouge is really, really sweet. The same fragrance, but one it's just dripping in sugar, dripping in cotton candy, dripping in caramel, dripping. It just smells like you went to a bougie ass carnival where they were having a white party. That's what that one smells like, versus the extrait. That's more of an evening out on the town, honeymoon night. I'm going to like the Met Gala type of smell. That's where you're at when you're wearing this fragrance. It's just really hard to describe. But like I said, versus the two, I would choose, if I had to choose one, I would go with the original, because I like more of a sweeter smell, not so much of a woody smell. But this perfume, it really grows on you. At 1 minute you're like, I'm not sure about this, till, oh my god, I love it and I want more. And that's what happened to me with this one in order for me to get this one. So all I can tell you guys is just save your coins and just invest in the real thing, because it's worth it. Nothing can compare to Baccarat. This is my new perfume. This is my statement perfume. Anybody that knows me knows that I'm wearing a $300 perfume, and the extrait is even more than that one. This one sets you back about $425. So what is that, 4, 5, 6, 7? I have almost about I have over $1,000 with the whole collection. Will I do it again? Yes, I would. Okay. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, I will link everything in the bottom. I purchased all the fragrances, the body oil and the lotion from Neiman's. So I will have a link to Neiman's, to where I bought it. And if you're in the Arizona area, I did go to the Scottsdale Fashion Square Center, and I do have a lady there who works with me. Her name is Shayna. So if you're in the area in Arizona, and that will be in Scottsdale, go to Neiman's and ask for Shayna, and let her know that Cheryl with HeygurlTV sent you, and she'll hook you up. So I think that's it for today, you guys. This was a big one for me. So please subscribe, please comment below and give me a thumbs up. I love you, and I will see you next time with the daily favorites.